Looking for a healthy snack for children? A quick and easy snack you can make with your kids at home. Let's whip up a pizza that's as nutritious as it is delicious. First, grab 2 cups of lentils. Soak them in water for 2.5 hours. Got your lentils all plumped up? Great! Rinse them off and throw them into a blender. Add a pinch of pink or lava salt, pour in half a cup of water, and blend until smooth. Now here's where the magic happens. Pour that smooth lentil mixture onto a baking sheet lined with wax paper. Spread it out like a real pizza chef. Next up, sprinkle on your favorite toppings. Any sauce you love, add some tomatoes or bell peppers or even pineapple with BBQ sauce or maybe some spinach for that superhero strength. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. Once it's golden brown and crunchy, let it cool a bit. There you have it, a high-protein, super tasty pizza that's as good for you and your family as it is for your taste buds. Grab a slice and let's dig in.